In physics, work and energy are measured using several different units depending on their field or application. Joules are the most common units, and they are the standard SI unit for work and energy. They are used in general physics and mechanics. Calories are common in chemistry and used for heat energy. Electron volts are used in atomic and particle physics to describe very small amounts of energy. Foot-pounds are used in engineering and mechanics, especially in the US, and kilowatt-hours are used for electrical energy. Each of these units measure energy or the amount of work done, but they come from different measurement systems. These systems include SI, imperial, and specialized fields. So converting between these units is a key skill in many physics problems. Now let's practice these conversions by doing 10 problems. Convert 4,500 joules into kilojoules. First, let's look at our prefix. The prefix kilo means 1,000. This tells us that 1 kilojoule is equivalent to 1,000 joules. We were asked to convert 4,500 joules into kilojoules. In order to do this, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1 kilojoule is equivalent to 1,000 joules. Multiplying through this, we see that the joules cancel and leave us with kilojoules. So to solve this, we divide 4,500 joules by 1,000 joules to give us 4.5 kilojoules. Convert 5 kilojoules to calories. First, we'll identify our prefix of kilo. The prefix kilo is equal to 1,000. So 1 kilojoule is equal to 1,000 joules. Next, we need to understand the relationship between calories and joules, which is that 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joules. So to convert 5 kilojoules into calories, we need to first convert our kilojoules to joules by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1,000 joules per 1 kilojoule. Then we can convert from joules to calories by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joules. Multiplying through this, we get that the kilojoules cancel and leave us with joules, and then the joules cancel to leave us with calories. Solving this, we get that 5 kilojoules is equivalent to 1,195.02 calories. Convert 300 calories to joules. First, we need to know our conversion factor of 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joules. Now to convert 300 calories into joules, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 4.184 joules for every 1 calorie. Multiplying through this, we see that the calories cancel and leave us with joules. This gives us that 300 calories is equivalent to 1,255.2 joules. Convert 1.2 kilocalories to joules. First, let's understand the prefix of kilo. The prefix kilo means 1,000. So 1 kilocalorie is equivalent to 1,000 calories. We also need to know the conversion factor between calories and joules, which is that 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joules. So to convert 1.2 kilocalories to joules, we need to first convert from kilocalories to calories by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1,000 calories per 1 kilocalorie. Then we can convert from calories to joules by multiplying through our conversion factor of 4.184 joules for every 1 calorie. Multiplying through this, we see that the kilocalories cancel to give us calories, then the calories cancel to leave us with joules. Solving this, we get that 1.2 kilocalories is equivalent to 5,020.8 joules. Convert 50 foot-pounds to joules. First, we need to know our conversion factor that relates foot-pounds to joules. This is that 1 foot-pound is equivalent to 1.356 joules. So to convert 50 foot-pounds to joules, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1.356 joules for every 1 foot-pound. Multiplying through this, we see that the foot-pounds cancel to leave us with joules, and solving this, we get that 50 foot-pounds is equivalent to 67.791 joules. Convert 3.2 times 10 to the negative 17 joules to electron volts. An electron volt is based on the charge of an electron. This is that 1 electron volt is equivalent to 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19 joules. So in order to convert 3.2 times 10 to the negative 17 joules into electron volts, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1 electron volt is equivalent to 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19 joules. Multiplying through this, we see that the joules cancel and leave us with electron volts. Solving this, we get that 3.2 times 10 to the negative 17 joules is equivalent to 199.75 electron volts. Convert 2.5 kilowatt hours to joules. The prefix kilo means 1,000. So 1 kilowatt hour is equivalent to 1,000 watt hours. We also need to know the relationship between watts and joules, which is that 1 watt is equivalent to 1 joule per second. Or we can say that 1 joule is equivalent to 1 watt second. And finally, we need to know the conversion between hours and seconds, which is that 1 hour is equivalent to 3,600 seconds. Now to convert 2.5 kilowatt hours into joules, we need to first convert the kilowatt hours into watt hours by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1,000 watt hours is equivalent to 1 kilowatt hour. Now we can convert from hours to seconds by multiplying through our conversion factor of 3,600 seconds for every hour. Now that we are in watt seconds, we can multiply by our conversion factor of 1 joule is equivalent to 1 watt second in order to get our final conversion into joules. Multiplying through this, we see that the kilowatt hours cancel to leave us in watt hours. Then we can cancel the hours to give us seconds. Now we can cancel the watts times seconds to give us joules. Solving this, we finally get that 2.5 kilowatt hours is equivalent to 9.0 times 10 to the 6 joules, or 9 million joules. Convert 271.2 joules to foot-pounds and calories. First, we'll identify our conversion factors. 1 foot-pound is equivalent to 1.356 joules, and 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joules. Now to convert 271.2 joules into foot-pounds, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1 foot-pound is equivalent to 1.356 joules. Multiplying through this, we see that the joules cancel and leave us with foot-pounds. Solving this, we get that 271.2 joules is roughly equivalent to 200.03 foot-pounds. Now to convert 271.2 joules into calories, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joules. Multiplying through this, the joules cancel to leave us with calories. This gives us that 272 joules is equivalent to 64.82 calories. Convert 0.75 kilowatt hours into kilocalories. First, we need to know our conversion factors. 1 kilowatt hour is equivalent to 3.6 times 10 to the 6 joules, and 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joules, and 1 kilocalorie is equivalent to 1,000 calories. So to convert 0.75 kilowatt hours into kilocalories, we need to first convert into joules. To do this, we multiply through our conversion factor of 3.6 times 10 to the 6 joules for every 1 kilowatt hour. Then we can convert from joules to calories by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joules. Then finally, from calories to kilocalories by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1 kilocalorie per 1,000 calories. Multiplying through all of this, we see that the kilowatt hours cancel to give us joules, then the joules cancel to give us calories, and finally the calories cancel to leave us in kilocalories. Solving this, we get that 0.75 kilowatt hours is equal to 645.32 kilocalories. A microwave oven uses 1,200 watts and runs for 3 minutes. How much energy does it use in calories? First, we need to understand the relationship between power and energy. Energy is equivalent to power times time. Power is represented in watts, and 1 watt is equivalent to 1 joule per second. We also need to know the conversion factor of calories to joules, which is that 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joules. Also, that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. The first thing we need to do is convert our time into seconds. We were given 3 minutes, and we want to convert this to seconds. To do this, we'll multiply through our conversion factor of 60 seconds for every 1 minute. Here the minutes cancel and leave us with seconds, and we get that 3 minutes is equivalent to 180 seconds. Now we can use the energy equation to find out how much energy we used in joules. Plugging in our units, we get 1,200 watts times 180 seconds is equivalent to 216,000 joules. Finally, we need to convert our 216,000 joules into calories by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joules. This gives us that the 1,200 watt microwave used 51,625.24 calories in 3 minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.